We're here at the Abilities Expo to spread the word about a program that can make a real difference for people with disabilities. My name is Stephanie Cantor, and I am the director of the Illinois ABLE program with the Illinois State Treasurer's Office. The ABLE Act has allowed people with qualifying disabilities to save and invest money for disability-related expenses. People who acquired their disability before age 46 may be eligible to open an account.
I'm Carla Vasilos, and I'm an ABLE account owner.
I became disabled following the pregnancy and birth of my beautiful twin boys back there.
Once they increased the age, the eligibility, I was able to get an ABLE account this past year.
So my name's Dan, and I'm a brand new ABLE account holder.
Obviously, living with a disability or major health concerns is extremely expensive.
You can use the account on anything that helps your life. So, it doesn't just have to be like doctors and equipment, groceries.
For me, there's housing, transportation. If I need to make modifications to the chair.
I think a lot more people qualify for an ABLE account than realize it.
For more information, please go to our website.